Moberly is growing, and we are going to be growing well into the future. We are just at 63 and 24, so location is perfect.
From a company aspect of being in this area, it's got great access to transportation, whether it be the different highway systems, the rail systems, a good centralized location. All that together just makes it a great spot to put a plant.
We have great people, and they love where they live, they love where they work, and so we want to continue to grow that.
We are here to attract, retain, and retrain employers' workforce. So we try to help our employers meet their demands by being able to ensure our graduates are going to be adequately trained and prepared for the workforce.
We do customized training for industry. So if industry doesn't have the time or resources to send their employees through our entire program, we can build a customized program and just train them on exactly what they need.
It's not something that you can just go out on the street and say, hey, I need you to go sew this fight glove. It takes a special type of person to be able to do that. Or in the case now, we manufacture a lot of heavy bags to the tune of 300,000 heavy bags a year.
Being able to provide training and have equipment that they're going to use in an actual setting or in a truck for truck driving, we're preparing a much better workforce by them being able to simulate or practice on the real thing that they're going to see in industry.
We are looking for new business and industry to continue to support our existing citizens and attract new and grow that quality of life. When we bring in those employers, we grow our tax base, we create jobs, and we create opportunities. So it all benefits the community as a whole once a business comes in. The Moberly Area Industrial Park is a great place to get started. It is one of Missouri's certified sites, which means it is shovel ready. So companies can come right in. With our location, it makes it easy for the transportation. With our workforce partner right in our backyard, the training is right there, and then of course all the services are right around. The industrial park is truly fit for the next industry to come in and start from the ground up.